Today we're going to bring a truck cover, and this is a perfect cover for certain cars, so check the models. All right, so we're testing it out right now. We actually put the corners in. The aluminum engine goes in here. We're stretching it out, make sure it's going to fit our car. And like you see, it says aluminum plating in the bottom, and it's going to stretch out. We're going to put it on the 4150 to see how it goes, and then we're going to cramp it up and we're going to twist it back together. All right, so here's the actual locks that we got to get them in here, and what it is, they go into the actual rail here and you lock it in place. That's what we're going to do here to lock it completely. And as you can see, we already have it almost full, and just make sure that it's tucked in properly. All right, you can always clip it back, and this is the clip that goes back, and we're going to show you guys how it works. So we're setting it up, looking beautifully, and we'll finish it out. So there's a clip here, and this is how you slide it back. If you don't want it to fly around, you just pretty much clip it here, and there's another clip right there where he's actually doing it. If you guys can see that, it's in the corner. So right now, if you guys can see, we have a lot of dirt and grass. We're gonna avoid from doing that as a Velcro, and if the Velcro gives up on you, it comes with extra ones. We're gonna show you how to lock it out too. So stretching perfect. You see, it has all three locks, 1, 2, 3, that we put them in there. We also did it on this side too. So this Velcro here grabs on, really simple. We managed it to lock it in place, but now we're gonna set it up so you guys can see the final product. So we got it set up already. If you guys can see it, it looks beautiful from one distance. We opened the tailgate so you guys can see the bottom of it, how it looks like. But we're gonna show you how to lock it in and how to open it. Locking in, unlocking it, there's these ribbons here, if you guys can see that. I just opened one, and there's the other one, and that's it. It pops out, you push it back, and you zip it. Now to lock it, you see this one right here, you have to actually go in here in between and locking it. This is how it's gonna work right there when you push it down. A ver, agárralo de allá, ciérrale. So we're gonna lock it right now so you guys can see it. But you got it first time, it's gonna be heavy. You push it down, and that's it. So this is perfect, so you can avoid any trash or anything on the truck. Look how beautiful it looks. Nice, clean, ready to go. Very simple to install. And if it's a little off, you can always fix it with the Velcro. You can always fix the Velcro here. So look at the inside, guys. This is the inside of the actual truck. Look how dark it is. We got a lot of trash because we're gonna try to avoid trees. We have a tree that keeps bringing leaves, and this is gonna prevent it from giving leaves. Perfect for anybody out there that's looking for something like this. Very slick. We opened the tailgate right now so you guys can see it. Beautiful, done. Very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.